Hey y'all, I'm just waking up and I'm about to start my day. I peep my hair. We on flat, but yeah. So we finna I don't know what I'm finna do today, but I'm just finna vlog it, everything I do. So why not? Cause I'm just dropping on y'all, So yeah, that's what's going on. But my breath stinks, so let me go brush my teeth. But I'll see y'all later when I look better, take a shower and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Amari, and we're starting the day off. We're going to this pet store. Me and my brother. It's the us day, and we're going to this pet store. We're just gonna play with some puppies and some animals, and we're just gonna show y'all like playing with the puppies and stuff. And then we're probably gonna go ride some scooters and stuff later. I'm probably not gonna ride the scooters because I don't know how to ride the scooters, but he might ride the scooters, so you just know I might just record him riding the scooters because he can't ride the scooters. But yeah, so we're finna go to this play place, so we'll be back. Look at these puppies. What you got?
Yeah, they're nice songs.
He is oh!
He jumped for it too.
I'm playing for he playing by himself. But they be in there with other dogs sometimes. Can I see your toy? Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. He trying to buy my purse.
You don't want to get it. I'm gonna get a husky.
A husky? They get so big.
I know.
I wish you could name them. I just trying to give you this one. Y'all, how do I look with a Yorkie? Like, look how small he is. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Look how he fits in my hand. Oh my gosh. Look at camera. I just want him so bad. I want him so bad, so bad, so bad. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I want him so bad. He is so cute. Is it a boy? Yep. No, wait. It feels like a girl. It's a boy? He's so cute. Oh my god, I want it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
His tail's not strong.
This dog probably like $5,000.
I couldn't do small, but they're small.
I would name him.
He's chill-mannered too.
Huh?
He's chill-mannered.
I'm telling you, that's all I want is a chill puppy. Oh yeah. That looks fat. Don't hold it like that. Y'all, she just peed. Show them that the shit is peed.
I don't know if they can see that.
What you doing? Y'all, this a different dog. This a Yorkie Poo. I had a full bred Yorkie. I like the other dog. She was more chill. Yo, he got a German Shepherd. OMG. Say hey to the camera. Oh, you scratching? My toy. Yeah. I gave you a toy. What you coming up here for? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, look at the bunny. Oh my goodness.
That's the most vicious one.
This one looks evil.
Yeah,
like, it looks so evil because it has red eyes.
they're nice.
Before, I don't know how, I don't even know if I would touch you. He looks evil. I can't touch him.
They're not dogs. What are we doing? Ooh.
Dang.
No.
Look, I'm gonna take this off of them because they're all kind of high.
Oh, there's more.
Look.
There's way more inside.
Yeah. I took the cap off, so they gotta go in a new cap.
You look all tired.
Yeah, they all probably sleep. Y'all gotta get out of there because they were over here first.
She put it back.
So get up under there. Go. Dang, they all in there.
Yeah, they geeked up.
Take that one off. They got black ones.
Yeah.
I just
See, you
didn't want to lift it up. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, sorry. Get back in there. Y'all all got out. There you go. Y'all in there? I'm sorry, Pooh. You gotta get back in there. I'm gonna leave y'all alone. But y'all are so soft. I wonder how much a bunny costs.
Come on, honey, brother.
Hi, kitty. Oh, don't touch you? Don't touch you? You trying to sleep? That's what it is. She gonna mess around and bite me. They don't got no more? Look at this one. He look like one of them cats. He keep licking himself. Hi, kitty.
You know cats don't
Feel good at all. Oh, these are like gerbils and mice and stuff. Look at them. Look at it. Look like a little mouse. They just running around. How many of them are there? And they like how they all got a little house. That's so cute.
You gotta pick them up. But
What are they? Gerbils?
probably. These look like guinea pigs.
These are guinea pigs. Hi.
This brown one's cute, but it's shy.
Wait, these are guinea pigs? So what is that one? That one look like a squirrel. He look like a squirrel.
I don't know.
They can't hide when you do that.
So these moles are possums.
Possums. Get one of these.
Grab them?
Yeah.
Which color?
I wanted that one, but he went away. Look.
Yeah, he's shy.
They all shy.
Yeah.
You want your house back? Get that one.
It's the only one that lets me
Yeah,
touch him.
he's chilling. Pickling. Oh. Now y'all can have your house back. Hi. Little rodent.
Whoa there.
I don't like these. They just look like rats. Especially that one. He looked like one of them things I had in my dream. What's these? Possums? Possums stay asleep.
Yeah. I was gonna touch them. Like, they're chilling right now.
They got a load of poop right there.
You think one's awake?
Yeah, pull it off. If they not, they'll get up. It's 3.
2.
2. Oh, they're so cute. They
okay,
so
I'm putting them back.
sleepy.
Yeah, that's.
He's so sleepy. Oh.
The way he was chilling upside down.
Did you touch it?
Yeah, I touched it, but I don't want to wake them up. They look too comfortable.
Bye, you guys. Are you drinking your water? Water time. Ew, what kind of food is that? Ew. Okay, bye, rats. What are these for real? Gerbils? I think these are gerbils, and those are guinea pigs. Because I think gerbils are smaller.
Yeah, these probably mice or guinea pigs.
No, these are gerbils because mice don't have patterns. Mice just be one color. Okay, bye, guys. Wait, you didn't tell them you was riding. Come here. Oh my God, she's leaving me. Y'all, he is leaving me. He gone. Dang, I'm dark. I'm too dark. I don't got no makeup on, so I look a hot mess. Where did he go? He straight up left me, y'all, but I probably look a hot mess out here vlogging like this. My hair needs some water. Cause I put some mousse in it. Huh? What'd it say?
I don't know.
It was fun?
It was straight until I couldn't break
It died?
No.
Oh.
I just couldn't break it. I was like,
Let me try again.
Yeah, it ain't that hard. You tripping.
Let me see. Okay. Ready? You ready?
Goose.
Wait, I'll wait till they go so they don't see me. Alright, right there.
Just keep one foot off if you, just in case.
I can't do it.
Oh my God.
Wait, I'll try again. Alright, ready?
Bro, go like, do like little baby steps like I did when I came back to you. Just like jump and then hit it. And then when you get like a good speed, let go.
Okay. I'm scared.
You ain't gonna fall, bro.
I am. Can we go back this way?
Oh man.
Because I don't want to fall. This is why I never learned how to ride a bike. Because I don't like falling. Okay.
Wait for these folks now.
Wait for the biker. Okay. 1, 2.
Press. Go.
Okay, ready? I can't do it.
Oh my God. You gotta just, bro. See, you're not going fast enough.
What you mean?
When you on a bike, right, you can't just push and then think he's gonna be steady and go straight.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, you ain't learned how to ride a bike either.
Wait.
Now just go faster, and it'll stay straight.
I can't keep it straight.
Oh my God, your balance is trash.
It is. That's why I was trying to tell them the other day. I was like, my balance is.
Push. Yeah, go faster though.
Oh. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh yes. Oh my God. Sell out of the year.
Okay, wait.
Everybody said. You suck. You ain't nice.
Okay, come on. Ready?
scooter. That's why I don't know how to ride
This
it.
is ride it like a regular scooter, but you press the button.
I did. That's why I was trying to ride it like a regular scooter.
That gibberish came out.
I know.
Now steer. Go fast and just steer.
I can't keep it going.
You
When
suck.
it take off, I get scared. Okay.
Maintain that speed, bro. Oh my god. This is
I
this is
didn't know
bad.
how to ride a bike. Okay. I can't do it. You get on.
Alright.
At least I try.
You try.
You got balance. You think he doing something? Look. Y'all, I can't breathe. I'm glad I ain't got no makeup on because I'm hot. Whew. Hot. Hot. It's too hard. I just can't do it.
Oh my god.
I can't do it. Oh, get on and I'm gonna get behind you.
I ain't ready for that much weight.
It's not that much. I don't even hold on for real. Ready?
Is you ready?
Yeah.
You gotta put your foot up. Oh god, hold on.
Come on.
You're moving without even going to gas.
Good.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Come on.
Traffic.
Ready?
Alright, go ahead.
Okay. Wait.
All
Go.
right. Yeah, put
Go.
both your feet
Go.
on. No.
Oh, I'm about to fall. I can't do it. I felt it wobbling. I felt it wobbling.
Yeah, that was a little too much.
Alright, y'all. It's hot.
The only reason I ain't going too fast because I can't brake.
I think I need to, what's it called? I need somewhere to sit, first of all. I dropped something? It's hot. Huh?
It is hot.
It's
How about
hot.
the ice cream?
Let's go. You done?
It's hot.
Do you gotta put it back?
No.
Who's hot, y'all? I gotta go. Wait, hold this. Thank you. Yo, we got ice cream. This could be my thumbnail.
I already made it thumbnail.
What?
When you're holding the puppy.
Oh. I want one of these too. I want one like this though. It's so good. Y'all, Quick Trip got the best ice cream. It's better than McDonald's.
That's a lot.
No, it's not.
It ain't better than what's it called? No Boosters.
Boosters is nasty. I want a thumbnail like this, but not at the gas pump. So like this. Oh, the sun is this way. But y'all, our day over with. Yeah. We're about to eat these big old ice creams and go home.
This melty quick.
It is. I already did it.
I wasn't even ready for it.
Okay, we're about to go. So yeah, you had fun?
Yeah, pretty chill.
Yeah, we just got out of the house. So I had this money on this app for them scooters. I was like, I need to use this money, so I had to go ride the scooters.
No homo.
Oh my gosh.
Cause bro, the way I was eating it, I had to think about it.
But yo, we about to leave the gas station, go home. He about to play the game, as usual.
At me.
I'm about to watch the food, as usual. But y'all comment down below, tell me what kind of videos and stuff y'all want to see. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the Lord game, because you know we're going up one video at a time. Okay.